Giovanna again with Orange Revival Custom Baskets and Gifts. I was in my local Ollies and I saw some great finds. This was the day after the holiday. Here, these were just the Gabby's Dollhouse books. I thought those might be nice for people who would be doing some quick grab and go gifts for the fall. They might be making some Easter baskets. Well, not really Easter, Christmas. Um, This little set here was $9.99. I thought it might be nice for a bar gift for Father's Day. Um, I did not look at the toys. I was kind of looking more so towards like the bath care products for Father's Day. I did see those as well. So that's what I kind of focused on this set. They did have a lot of Olay and Dove for those who are looking to replenish their products. Um, this brand here I do love. I was kind of sad because the price went up like $2 since the last time I purchased them. They did have a ton of Bodycology. Um, so I will be going in to restock my stockpile. They did have a ton of Old Spice that might be popular in certain areas. Um, but for me, I kind of tend to focus on a younger crowd. Um, and that line is really good, the Dead Sea line. Here you can see me dropping a product. So I did go tell the associate as well. As you can see, they have a ton of Olay jumbo products. I just tried to look for some new items that were pretty much affordable. Sometimes they do send those Onyx products to the Dollar Tree. And I did find some Cantu products. Kind of working my way down to the men's section. I do like that line as well. They did have some mini Pantene products. As you can see, that oil Olay was $2.99, which I thought was a really good deal. The larger bottles were $4.99. They did have a lot of shave products as well. They had a lot of Dove hand soap. I did not see any perfumes like we would normally order from the website. They were kind of wiped out on those. That gift set would be good if you were doing maybe some mini gift sets or to break it up. But it just depends on your price point unless you be trying to look for something like that on clearance. Again, that's that Betsy Johnson spray. They had a ton of those. They did have a lot of bath bars. These were the gift sets I was talking to Divine Creations about Nicole during her live a couple days ago. They did have a ton of those. These gift sets have been in the store for a while. They did have another one, but it was kind of beat up, so I didn't want to show you guys that. Just showing you some of the bar soaps. This was a gift set from Old Spice. They did have a lot of those in the store, and it was $7.99. It was a 4-piece gift set. They did have a lot of men's accessories. I usually tend to find these a lot in my area. These were just like the bath sponges. They would be good for any hunter's gift sets or what we call Widow's Weekend, which is the weekend hunting season opens. Because I am in Michigan. So, this I thought would be a cute little gift for Easter or a team basket if you were trying to do something for graduation. Lots of men's accessories. So they were pretty much getting ready to flip. On the other side, just a lot of different items. This here, I think it was $7.99, but it's a fully wrapped gift set for men. Well, yeah, it's yeah, $7. So it includes a lunch bag. Um, if you wanted to split that up, I mean, you can make that two gift sets. This was something that might be able to use for the upcoming winter season. Um, with the mask set there, still cheaper than buying single mask for $1.25. I saw which I love to find those packaged gift sets with face masks and those face wipes. They have them in a lot of different colors. This would also be like a great filler. This was kind of like the vitamin section, so you'll see me kind of skip over into another section. Just kind of showing some of the kit items here. Um, and they did have some of the fall scents in the Dove. So I kind of went back through the aisle. Um, this here was the some of the glasses that I saw down that same aisle where I found that spa kit or that bartender kit. Um, they also did have some CBD oil scented candles. There were a lot of nice candles in that section as well. Um, that were $5, and they did have that car kit. So hopefully you guys saw something that might interest you into adding to your stockpile or getting ready for the upcoming holiday. Thank you so much for watching my video, and talk to you guys later.